What's up, everybody? I'm back. One Man Body Shop. I'm about to get back started on these door panels. Alright, as you see, I already got a design jotted down on the door panels, but I'm not going to go with that design. I'm not going to go with no speakers in the door panels. I got it written down what I'm going to go with. That's the design I'm going to go with. Armrest right here. And it's going to be the LED bar with the Oldsmobile cutlass sign going through it. It's going to be lit up with red. It's going to be red leather, and what's white going to be like a gunmetal gray type leather. Alright, I'm going to cut you back on when I get further on in the process. The hardest part probably going to be the armrest. So I'm going to start with the armrest first, and then see where I'm going to go. I'm probably going to go with foam and shape it up, see what we got. Alright, I'm back. I got both sides traced out. As you see, I got both sides traced out. And now I'm going to cut along and start shaping up my armrest. contour them shapes so they contour together, flowing together. And then LED bar, do a little bit more shaping on that, and we will be ready to go. We'll be ready to go. I think yeah. I just gotta do this piece right here. And then that'll be it. That'll be a wrap. What y'all think? Let me know what you think. But I think that look pretty good. Tell me what you think. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm gonna catch you on the next one.